Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Firstly we will discuss the points to be remembered. The very first definition is of constant. Constants are those whose values are fixed, like the numbers 1, 2, 3. The values of these numbers are fixed, so these are called constants. Next one is variable. Variable are those whose values are not fixed. It is denoted by English alphabet, for example A, B, C. The variable name itself express vary means to change, so the value of the variable is always change. It can be any number and we can denote it as English alphabet. Next definition is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are formed by mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on variables and constants. Basically, when variables and constants are added, multiplied, subtracted or divided, then algebraic expressions are formed. As where here have example 2x plus 1 or 3x minus y. These are the examples of algebraic expressions. Next definition is for a term. An algebraic expression consists of terms. Like here I have 3x square plus x as an algebraic expression, and this contains two terms. One is 3x square and the other one is x. All algebraic expressions contain terms. Next is factors. Terms themselves can be the product of the factors. As we have the term 5y, this is the product of 5 and y. It means we can say that the factors of 5y is 5 and y. The terms are also formed by the product of the factors. Next definition is coefficient. A numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. As we have discussed the definitions of terms, the numeric value with the variable is called the coefficient. As here I have 3x, the number 3 is known as the coefficient. Next definition is for monomial. Monomial is an algebraic expression which contains only one term. For example, 4x square, it is the single term. Similarly, we have so many examples, like I just take x. X itself is also a monomial. The algebraic expressions whose term is only one. So this is the monomial. Mono means one. So the polynomial having one term is known as monomial. Next is binomial. Bi means two. So the algebraic expression which contains two terms is known as binomial. Like a plus 3b, it is having two terms, so this is known as binomial. Now trinomial. Tri stands for number 3, so obviously the algebraic expression which contains three terms is known as trinomial. A minus b plus 2c is an example of trinomial. Basically the algebraic expression which have three terms. So this is trinomial. Next is quadrinomial. Quadri means number 4. So it means it has four terms. The algebraic expression contains four terms is known as quadrinomial. So for example, 3p plus q minus 2r plus s is the example of a quadrinomial. Next definition is for polynomial. A polynomial is an expression contain one or more terms are called polynomials. All these are considered under the polynomials like binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial. All these are known as the polynomials. It may have one or more terms. So we can write examples like 3xy, a minus b. All are the polynomials. Next term is like terms. Like terms are those whose terms that have same variables raised to exactly same exponents. Like terms must have the same variables and their parts also be same. Like if I am taking here an example, if I am writing here 3x, then 5x is the like term. If I am putting power 2 here, then this must be power 2. Then these two terms can be considered as like terms. And unlike terms are those that do not have same variables raised to exactly same exponents. The unlike terms might have the different variables or the different powers. Like if I am taking the example here, if I am writing here 3x and 5x square, these are not the like terms. No doubt they are having the same variable, but their powers are not same, so these are not like terms. If I am writing here 3x and 5y, now they are not having the same variables. So these are the examples of unlike terms. Exercise 9.1. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Question number 1. In question number 1, algebraic expressions are given in which we are to identify the terms and their coefficients. Now the first expression is 5xy z square minus 3zy. Firstly, we will write down the terms. The first term is 5x y z square and the second term is minus 3zy. Now as we know that the coefficients are the numeric values, so the number here is 5, so the coefficient is 5, and the number here is minus 3, so the coefficient is minus 3. Second part is 1 plus x square. In this again we will write down all the terms. Firstly 1 x and x square. 1 is itself a numeric value, so the coefficient is 1. As there is no number written with x, so it means the coefficient of x is 1. Similarly, the coefficient of x square is also 1. Third part is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. In all the algebraic expressions, we have to firstly write down the terms and then their coefficients. Here the terms are 4x square y square. Then the next term is minus 4x square y square z square. And the last term is z square. Now we will write down the coefficients. Coefficient is the number. Numeric value. Here the numeric value is 4. This one is minus 4. And here it is 1. So these are the coefficients of the given terms. Next one is 3 minus PQ plus QR minus RP. Now firstly write down the terms. First term is 3, then minus PQ. Signs we will put accordingly. If it is of positive sign, then we will write it as a positive. If it is negative, then we will write here negative. This is QR and then minus RP. Now similarly we will write down the coefficients. The coefficient is 3. Here it is minus 1. Here it is 1. Then again minus 1. Next is xy2 plus y upon 2 minus xy. Firstly we will write down the terms. X upon 2, y upon 2 minus xy. Now the coefficient of this term will be 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 and then minus 1. These are the terms and the coefficients of the given expressions. Next is 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. Firstly, write down the terms. 0.3a, 0.6ab minus 0.6ab, then 0.5b. Now the coefficients are 0.3 minus 0.6 and 0.5. Question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit any of these three categories? Here we are given some polynomials. We are to categorize them as monomials, binomials, trinomials, and also we are to identify is there any polynomial which do not fit under these three categories. Now here I have given the polynomials. We will categorize these polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Now we will see the polynomials one by one. The polynomials which are having one term, they will categorize under monomials. With two terms, they will be binomial. With three terms, it will be trinomial. And the polynomial having more than three terms, they will be categorized under the polynomials do not fit any these three categories. So firstly, let us see. The first polynomial is x plus y. So it is having two terms, so it means it is binomial, x plus y. Next one is 100. It is having one term, so it is under monomial. Next one is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to power 4. This polynomial have four terms, so it is not under these categories. So we will write it here, which is not under these categories. So this is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to power 4 is the polynomial which is not under these three categories. Now the next one is 7 plus y plus 5x. As it is having three terms, so it is under trinomial, 7 plus y plus 5x. In this way we will see all the polynomials and we will write them under their category. Next polynomial is 2y minus 3y square. It is having two terms, so this is binomial, 2y minus 3y square. Next one is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. This is having three terms, so it is a trinomial, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Next one is 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. It is also having three terms, so this is again a trinomial, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Next one is 4z minus 15z square. This is having two terms, so I will write it under binomials. So 4z minus 15z square. Next one is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This polynomial is having four terms, so this is not under these three categories. We will write it here, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. Next one is PQR. This is a single term, so it is under monomial, PQR. Next one is p square q plus pq square. This polynomial is having two terms, so it is a binomial. So we will write it under binomial column. Next one is again having two terms, 2p plus 2q. It is also a binomial. In this way we will categorize all the polynomials under the required categories. So students, this is all about introduction part of chapter number 9 and question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.1. Thank you.